cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it, like it's average, like I'm not who the fuck I am, like bitch, what's happening?
This is it, you guys. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. Oh. Wait. Lord have mercy. Oh! I really expected it was gonna be the other shoe, but oh, these babies are awesome. Oh. Yes, I was gonna get the black one of these, but I decided why not the apricot or the khaki one. This is amazing. It's just like, it will be a hassle to clean. I did get them in a size 10. And look at that, the air bubbles inside. Hope it doesn't pop, because I basically popped my other shoes. Yeah. These babies are the Nike Air Max KoKo. And they do have coral pink and like black. They do have like other colors. I think it was released in 2020, as I believe. And if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But yes, so they have these color. I mean this color now too. I did use my birthday discount for this one. And I actually did use my birthday discount for another shoe for my brother that I actually bought, which I'm going to show in this video. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Oh yeah. Thank you. Come again.